Yung sa akin is, kung napanood ito ng lola ko, anong sabihin niya? Gustuhan ba niya? O hindi? It's for my grandmother.
How was it working? Bukod po kay Lester, how was it working with the other cast of Totoy Bato?
Sobrang saya. Kada ibang cast, iba yung dynamic na binibigay nila pagka-eksena mo sa kanila. Ay, kapag eksena mo sila. Kapag ka-eksena mo sila. So, iba yung flavor, iba yung kung paano ka mag-react, iba. Dala nila yung character nila and it's exciting.
So, I think if I remember it right, si Bea Benene, she already mentioned that you two worked together already before. So, how was it working with her again?
Like, wow, ang tanda ko na.
Was she too young that time?
No, we were both young.
Oh. So
that was like 10 years ago.
Oh, parang reunion, yun na rin itong dalawa.
Yeah.
Okay, so just curious as well, kasi diba, katatapos lang ng Lumuhod Ka sa Lupa. Okay, so congratulations
for that. You're making me feel sad.
Yeah, sad, but it's a bittersweet because you also have Totoy Bato right now. So, how does it feel na after Lumuhod Ka sa Lupa, it's a very big project, right? It's like a successful project. So, how was it na after ng Lumuhod Ka sa Lupa, you already have another one, which is Totoy Bato, which is also a big project for you?
Grateful. Speechless actually. Walang mga salitang makaka-explain kung ano yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, to be honest. Yung sa akin kasi focus lang ako sa isang goal at gusto kong maganda yung quality ng show na bibigay ko para panoorin ng mga tao, to be honest in that. So ako yung focus ko is all on that and sana magustuhan nila. I'll do my best.
Okay, so a very genuine question. Gaano ka-dedicated sa trabaho ang isang Kiko Estrada?
Good question. I gave up Holy Week for this. I gave up Holy Sunday with my family. I shot through a sprain. I did everything for this. Blood, sweat, and tears. Everything.
What a very dedicated actor you are. But
no, hindi totoo. I mean, like, yeah. Ayoko lang i-overplay natin yun. Yung sa akin is gagawin kong lahat kasi mahal ko yung show.
Okay, so with the preparation for that, since you mentioned na mahal mo yung show, di ba? So, of course, magkakaroon ng, like, magbabasa ka ng script about Totoy Bato. So, ano yung na-feel mo na ikaw ang gaganap bilang Totoy Bato? And isang Garlo J. Caparas pa nalikha ito?
Yung sa akin is, kung napanood ito ng lola ko, anong sabihin niya? Gustuhan ba niya? O hindi? It's for my grandmother.
Okay po. So, right now, since bukod kay Bea Benene, right, you also have like Diego Loizaga and the others, especially right now, Mon Confiado is also here, di ba po? So how is it working with them?
The best.
On taping?
Yung sa akin kasi, legendary status. Mon Confiado, grabe, legend of an actor. Yula Valdez, legend of an actress. Noni Buencamino. Art Acuña. Joko Diaz. Jackie Lu Blanco. I mean, grabe, yun yung mga cast na kasama ko dito sa Totoy Bato. At every day, kapag ka-exena mo sa kanila, ibang stimulus yung binibigay mo. Hindi mo na kailangan minsan magkarga eh. Basta buo ka. Yun yung mga aktor na gusto mong kasama lagi.
Okay. So, while you're working with them, especially sa taping, right? So, how was it? Kasi, di ba, meron dyan na in character kayo. But, after that, like, outside your characters, how was it working with them?
Mas madali pag hindi ka lumabas sa character. Yeah, pero yung sa akin, hindi ko naman like method or ang daming mga style dyan, Meissner. Yung sa akin, gawin mo lang kung ano yung gumagana sa'yo. Basta maging maayos kang tao. Like, you just have to be true. Kahit naman masama yung character mo, hindi mo naman kailangan maging masama. Diba? Just be a good guy. Yeah, mga kapatid, mga nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa akin. Sana suportahan nyo ang Totoy Bato. It's always Monday to Friday, 7:15 p.m. Yeah, sa primetime premiera ng TV5.